Good morning, everybody. Futures are green on techs, but others not so much. Yesterday was crazy. Pre-market showed very bullish, and then as soon as it opened, boom, it just non-stop drop, and then messy, choppy, and then end of the day was bearish. And then again, right now we are jumping up. So market is just in the yo-yo action. If you look at the daily charts and the indexes, you will see that we are still in consolidation mode, up and down between the range, and it's all about job report coming tomorrow, which most likely it will be a high rate, and it will be a higher rate, and market most likely will like it, and maybe we jump up higher. That's what I forecast. And anyway, pre-market jobless came in, it dropped and it jumped up. Right now, pre-market everything looking bullish again. 5 to 4 hour, 4 hour we got a golden cross again. Again we got daily MACD dead cross, but weekly is still very bullish on the NQ. On the ES, same thing. 4 hours up, 4 hours curved up, and from 5 to 1 hour. MACD is looking bullish. So we'll see. I'm gonna cover both sides of the levels on the major names, and we'll see what's gonna happen at open. You never know. Maybe it opens the same like yesterday and drops. Maybe it continues going higher. TNX a little bit green today. 71.68 back to that right now, but it's all about 40.42, which most likely is gonna come next 5-10 days. If it goes below that, then it's gonna get really interesting. And what was interesting is that yesterday it was a little bit weird situation that the DNX was falling, but market wasn't flying up. So that was a little bit weird situation, uncommon to happen. DXY is falling. That's what's helping. That's one of the reasons is helping techs going up. At the same time, Google is very strong pre-market because of Gemini. And DXY, if it breaks 103.676, it can get really interesting on market, especially techs. Wix. It's still above 1307 until it doesn't break 1373. This choppiness, this consolidation up and down in market can continue. Daily MACD is golden cross, 4 hour, 1 hour is golden cross, but it's just up and down. Need to break 1373 to have a bigger pullback, but market resisting to have a huge pullback. It comes like to SPX comes to 45.50, maybe 45.40, but then bounces up again, goes to near 4600. That's the range right now we're dealing with. BTC starting showing some weaknesses. 4 hours dead cross. It's probably gonna most likely establish a range for now until we'll see if it's gonna break down or go up again. Until the daily is not MACD is not dead cross, it still has chance to go higher later. Apple pre-market almost flat, but it came down, then it jumped up again. So it's all about 193.13. If it passes, we're looking at 194, 194.71 and higher level. If it again falls, the supports are 192.25 and 191.7. Amazon 1 point higher. If it continues jumping in pre-market, everything looking bullish, but as I mentioned, you never know. Maybe market opens and falls like yesterday again. So upper level 146.85, 148.3. If it goes below 145.71, then retest 144.91, 144.11, 143.12. Nvidia was very weak yesterday, but was expecting a gap down, but right now is opening 2 points higher. So it's all about 461. If it can't get over 461.1, then it can run up again to 462, 464, 466. But if it goes below 456.96, then retest 454, 451, 447.56. Pre-market right now 15:30, 1 hour is upward, and the 4 hour was dead crossing, but then right now is diverting. I don't like on Nvidia that we have a red bar on daily. That's a sign that it's most likely it will have a little bit more downfall ahead, and if it goes crazy, 447, 417 can come. AVGO earning today after close, so it's all about that. Can affect all semis. Maybe some run up today. We'll see if it runs up 914, 919.75 and higher level. If it does break 905.46 is strong, then we're looking for lower level, which is 900, 894 and 891. Pre-market looking bullish, so we'll see if it's gonna have a pre-earning run up. About that one. Baba, 4 hour, we got a yellow bar. It's still bearish on daily and weekly. Nothing exciting there. Netflix was very bearish yesterday. Pre-market was bullish, and I actually predicted in the service that it's gonna gap up, and it gapped up, opened, and but as soon as it opened, boom, it dropped non-stop. And it was right now again, it's all about 448, 446. If it breaks 446.77, then it can go retest lower level 443, 440, 439.89, 437.76. But right now pre-market 5, 15, 31 hour is upward. So if it does break 451.26, it does have a chance for recovery back to 454 and higher level. Meta, almost flat there. Nothing special. Daily is downward. I don't like the red bar on the daily, and weekly we got a dark blue bar. So it's all about if it jumps up, we're looking at 320.4, 324.36. If it falls, 315, 312, 310. But most likely this 317 is a huge magnet level that is going to hover around it. Tesla, 3 points, 2 points higher, and this one is just every day goes up, then pulls back, the next day gap up, runs up again, maybe it repeats again. It's all about 246. It needs to break 246.1 to go for a crazy run up to 248, 252, 256. Every day, deep in the money calls are coming in, so they expecting it is a expectation that this goes up eventually crazy up. And keep in mind, in 3 weeks we're gonna have a quarter is gonna end. They're gonna release the numbers, so it's likely before that they're gonna have a pre-run up for into that, because they have a new car, they have a new model, they people buying the Cybertruck. So if that one is a good sale, it's most likely it's gonna have a good numbers too. Anyway, pre-market the 5, 15, 30 is upward. 1 hour if golden cross 242.97. That's a key. Past that one, we're looking at 244.35, 246.1. If it breaks that one is strong, which it tried to break yesterday. It went a little bit above it, then it failed. So you have to be cautious. If it breaks it, be cautious if it goes and pulls back. But if it goes to 248, then it can go crazy or higher. Anyway, intraday, if it again pulls back, 239, 237.9 is a support there. Microsoft almost flat, recovering because futures are recovering, but overall is weaker than other names. 369.89, that's the next target if it jumps up. If it passes that one, we're looking at 371 and higher level. But in general, Microsoft is weaker than other names, so if it jumps and then pulls back, we're looking at 366, 365.29. Those are the next support level. If it does break 365, then it can go for a bigger dump. Google is the main focus today. Gemini, people loving it, and seems like it got some good reviews last night. And 135.59, that's the next major level. If it does break that one, we're looking at 136.48, 137.92, 139.36. It's looking very, very bullish pre-market. 5 is up, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, everything is upward. It does have a red bar, but most likely will change when it opens. So watch 135.59. If it breaks that one, things can get really interesting on Google. But again, as always, keep in mind, if 1530 MACD dead cross on any name looking bullish pre-market, if you see 1530 MACD dead cross, it can reverse and go down. So if it does, 134, 132, 131.82 is support. AMD gap up open yesterday was very weak, but again right now surprise jump up. Event wasn't that much liked, but pre-market right now looking bullish. So 5 is up, 15 not golden cross yet, and so it's all about 120.5. If it can pass that one, we're looking at the next major level, 121.6, 123.37. BA got some news that they selling airlines, I think, to Taiwan or something. So 70 airplanes. So 237 is a key level. It was very bullish yesterday at the open, and then midday get a pullback. So 237.42 is the key level you want to watch. If it passes that one, we're looking at 238.54, 239.45, 240.36. But again, yesterday it did have a pullback into the close and came to 235.61. So 235.61 is a major support. If it breaks that one, watch out. SPY. 2 points higher. It's going above 455.93 again. If it continues running up, 457.78 is the next major level. But if it opens and falls again, then it can come back to 454.48. Market needs, SPY needs to break 453.46 in order to have a bigger drop. That's been a big support. But for now, we'll see. Looking bullish pre-market. QQQ. Pre-market above 387.33 and continue going higher. If techs open and jumps up, this one can continue going higher to 390.65. Pre-market looking very bullish on 5 to 4 hour. And yeah, so if it does, if same like tomorrow, yesterday, 387 opens and falls and 387.33 can hold it, then again back to 385 and lower level. 385 been a big support, and 382.66 was the bottom of this consolidation range last 2 to 3 weeks. If it does break that one, we're looking to 379.77, but it's all about job report tomorrow. That's pretty much it on the major names. Roku, daily MACD is dead crossing, so be cautious there. 163 may come. That's coin, because of Bitcoin weakness, a little bit pulled back there. So if Bitcoin falls more, we're looking at 128.72, 125.48. MSTR, some pullback there too. So at 555, if you can hold it, back to 539.55. What else you got here? If AFRM just every day keeps going higher, but yesterday made a big inverted hammer candle on daily. And UPSD, same thing, so probably end of this run for now until the next catalyst. That's pretty much it. RIVN is continue going higher if 1903 passes, which is opening above it. Next major is 21.03. What else you got here? AI get an earning, and that one 25.82 if you can hold it. Next major level is 23.54, 21.25, and 19.84. GME got an earning there too. 13.54 if you can hold it, back to 12.26 and 11.47. CHWY had an earning and dumping there. This one is, I think, new all-time low, so forget about that one. Dollar General jumping up on the earning. I don't have the levels for that right now. DDOG got a upgrade, so this one, if it continues going higher, 121.07. That's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning in, and have a lovely day.